Hi guys, so excuse my appearance. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows waxed today, I think. I'm filming this after the snowstorm that we had. Before y'all watch this though, I have a couple of things to say. Number one, I was very blessed. My family and I were very blessed. So if you are looking for a video that shows people without electricity, without all that, this is not a video of that. We were very, very lucky. We did end up losing water at my house, which I explained. We still don't have it back, but it's a beautiful day today. This isn't to complain. This is just to show what it was like for me, and I do know that I was very lucky in this storm. I also want to say that a lot of people up north didn't understand it, and you know, we were not prepared, and we were also told on the news that it would just be a cold front. Usually we get some snow and it's gone within 24 hours, and so that's what we were expecting. We were not prepared for this. Our houses aren't made for this. Our piping is not dug deep enough for this. We don't have basements. We have giant windows on our houses, and Texas couldn't produce enough electricity for us in this. Our vehicles aren't made to drive in this. People don't know how to drive in this, even if we had correct tires and everything. We also don't have snow plows or salt for the roads, so we are fine now. I will do more of a recap at the end of this video. So this is what it was like for us in the snowstorm. It's Maddie, so I'm deciding to vlog because this is some crazy-ish. And I haven't really been vlogging because my life just isn't that exciting anymore, but I do have some things to update y'all on. But first of all, y'all might be like, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's like, I live in Central Texas. That is not correct. In our town, a pipe burst and they can't turn it off because they don't have electricity there. They can't turn off the water to the pipe. It's making us some eggs. So we're eventually gonna run out of water in our town, so that's cool. Okay, so something I don't explain at the beginning of this video, and I'm not sure I've ever explained super well because it didn't really matter until now. So let me try to explain where we live because it's pertinent through the whole video. So basically there's a big town, we'll call it town A, and that's where we do our grocery shopping. That's where my parents work, okay? I know my eyebrows are so bad, ignore them. Then we live in a suburb we'll call town B. So it's town A, B, and C. So we live in right outside of town B, basically in town B. That's where my brother goes to school, all of that. Well, we are on town C's electricity and water. So when I say our town, I'm talking about town B losing water, but we never lost water or electricity because we're part of town C's stuff. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So that's pertinent through this video because I'm like, our town's gonna run out of water, and I don't make it clear that we're not at risk of running out of water. So usually when I say we're running into town in my videos, I mean we're running to town A, the bigger town next to us. Jacob and I spent the night at my parents' house last night because they have a fireplace, so in case we do lose electricity. Ellie's over here with us. The big dogs are next door. Just, that's what's easiest right now, and Milo is. Jacob does have to go over and check on Frank's cat as well. So I totally glitched and didn't even finish what I was saying about Milo. Milo was also at our house. I just got off the phone with my gestational diabetes specialist. Yeah, that's what she is. It went well. I feel like I can do it. So my parents are picking up some whole wheat bread. They did go to the store. Also, my stuff to test my diabetes finally came in. So that's awesome. Jacob and I were supposed to go to a hotel last night for Valentine's Day, but the weather's so bad, we decided not to. So they let us cancel and they didn't charge us, so that was cool of them. But apparently everyone's losing their minds. We just went for basic stuff, but the mind losing is real apparently. Ellie is loving the snow. The big dogs are not about it. Simba and Charlie. Milo is about it though, but I don't like him being about it. I want him to stay inside. Also, my parents brought their chickens inside. So we have two. They have two left because Ellie ate the other one. It's a sore subject. So we are currently filling pitchers with water in case, because we have a reverse osmosis. So if we lose water or electricity, we also have some other water, like gallons. Jacob is watching The Green Mile on DVD. Are you having a good day? Could it be better? No? Jacob has had the last couple days off. Well, it was the weekend, but before that too. So I'm gonna eat before Ellie helps herself. No. Hey dude, how you feeling? That snow is making it so bright outside.
It's hard to see.
I'll show y'all this weather. Hi, Dum Dum. That's some of the firewood we got. All these little birds keep coming up here. Do you want to go out? Oh, it came through the screen door. Okay, go. Go, go, go. There's a snowdrift right there. Y'all see that? Apparently there's a bunch of those little birds out there in the chicken coop. Do you need to go out? You're not gonna like it. Go potty. Go. Archie, go. Oh my God. Ellie loves it. She's ridiculous. She'll start running around. Y'all need to go out in a minute though. We have humidifiers going because it's so dry. It's the chickens. Oh! Carter, they laid an egg.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, guys. Oh, Mia. God.
Come on, Owen. Go. Go. I know it's cold. Go.
Mia, do you love Jake? Do you love Jacob? Got little legs here in a blankie because he's cold. And Miss Ellie Mae. Hi, baby. Mia just came over here, adjusted the blanket, and then got on top of Archie. I mean, he seems content though, but it's like a puppy shelf. Head under the blanket. That makes you go for it. Sleepy dogs. Jacob just went next door to let our big dogs out. The reason we're not bringing all of them over here is it would just be a lot of dogs. And Oreo likes to post up on Charlie. And it's just, no. They're fine over there. I'm not even sure we could get them to come over here right now. Yesterday I was sitting at the table and my dad came to the back door with wood. And I had socks on tile. They have like pretty slippery floors over here, which I would have been fine. But I got up really quickly to go open the door for him. And Mia got under my feet and I started to fall forward. Like I wasn't gonna be able to catch myself. I probably would have had to go to the emergency room just to make sure baby girl's okay if I would have fallen on my belly. But my mom caught me. She saw me getting up and saw me falling. She was in the kitchen cooking and she like grabbed me and caught me. So that was, she's the goat. So Simba and Charlie are pretty chill. I have a feeling they're just sleeping over there a lot. Charlie might be playing with some of the toys that are out. Simba really just hangs out though. He's an old boy. I would be worried about Ellie because she gets bored and gets into everything. So they're fine. What? God, your teeth are so bad. Usually his lip is over that tooth. Hey, buddy. Hey. Is your Kong still under the couch? Is it under here? Oh, it is. Okay. Here you go. Hi, guys. So absolute chaos has unraveled. My mom's sister and her husband and daughter are all coming here because they live in a trailer and don't have power. And it's supposed to get down to 4 without 4 degrees without the windshield.
That's disgusting. Don't fart.
So they
Yeah.
They also are bringing their 2 dogs and their cat. So we have to go. Dad, this is going on YouTube.
Oh, my bad.
So they're bringing 2 dogs and a cat, and we have to go clear out rooms at our house for them. Our house still has electricity, but we don't have any water. Thankfully, I washed almost all of our clothes recently.
They're only bringing 4 pounds of donkey shit.
So we don't have to do laundry. We're going to go home, take our bags home, and bring back one big suitcase with everything we need. Because I want to get some clothes.
Bro,
What?
we still got. I can still put them in PlayStation.
Hey, Jacob. Our plan
Yes, ma'am.
is to put... One of the dogs is a pit bull, and apparently he doesn't get along with other dogs. So Charlie and Simba get free range of the big area of the house. The cat is going to have to be in our room because the bathroom's so cold. We had a space heater in there when we were over there, and the door was open. And so we're just going to have to hope he doesn't piss all over our stuff. And then we're going to put their 2 dogs in crates in the baby's room. We go over and let them out. I'm vlogging. We're going to want to remember this. I swear. Okay.
That's short for video logs.
Oh, there's an egg in there. Good job, baby. We're going to have to go over and just let them out. Jacob is probably going to spend the night over there. We brought Ellie's new duck toy, and Oreo just decapitated it.
I told you.
I really thought that was going to be indestructible for him. I paid $2 for it. It's fine. It's lasting longer than the other fluffy toys.
Yeah, go ahead and get
Ellie, get the Kong. Hey, get the Kong. Get the Kong. So Oreo beheaded the chicken. That's a duck. It's not. Ellie beheaded a chicken.
What?
It's a duck. Oh my god.
What?
The chickens are in there. They're clearing off the guest bed for Monica and Jimmy, or I don't know.
Not clearing off the gas bag.
The chickens are in there. Brandon, are you eating wood? Ma'am,
Hey, we need that.
she's eating like the little pieces from you moving it. Oh my god. I'm trying to be positive, and I have said like twice now that I'm so glad I'm not close to my due date, because otherwise this would be stressful. But we still have months. I'm only 31 weeks. We have like 2 months left. What? So, rah. Also, my parents' bathroom, they ripped it out and it was all moldy. So we're down a bathroom. I'll just show y'all. That's why all their clothes, their toilet does work. All their clothes are in the guest bedroom. Hi. My mom had to put these boxes here because Mia kept jumping through the door. Come on. God. Okay, we might want to take that from him because he is going to make a mess. Okay, you're making too much of a mess. Ellie, you can have this at our house. Yeah, I'm going to take it home. Oreo's making a mess. Archie, what's going on? You know how to stay out of the way. I like that about you. How's it going?
I just feel like it's still 2020.
Mom, no.
You're such a good mom.
Dad, because I lost my temper on my little brother. Okay.
You left it?
I lost it. Why can't you hear me speaking
Why
today?
can't you speak without... Sounds like dog shit in your mouth. Hey, I'm gonna hand you an egg. Go wash it, put it in the fridge, hon.
Carter, Dad wants to hand you the egg. I got out of it. I got out of getting the egg. It has shit on it.
We can fill water.
You want to kick the egg?
Mm-mm.
Then fucking move.
Guys, so it's a lot later. It's almost 11. It's 10:45. In a movie. I have to be kind of quiet because Monica and Savannah are in the living room. They got here. I didn't really record because it's been like a lot. We had to get their dogs in. I set their dogs up with like beds. We had a big dog bed that fit perfectly in the big crate, and both the dogs are in there. We're needing a new bed anyway, so if they shut it or anything, it's fine. It's just not as fluffy and stuff anymore, and it was $20, so that's fine. Jacob and Jimmy went back next door to play games. I think they're playing offline. I don't think we have internet. I don't know. Good morning. I'm just waking up. Jacob and Jimmy spent the night next door with all the dogs. I don't know how that went. And playing video games. My nails are already chipping. But we still have electricity, but a lot of people in our town don't. And they also don't have water and stuff. So that's stressful. And Jacob's mom has been out of electricity they ran out sometime yesterday and went to a propane generator. Ran out of propane at like noon, but didn't tell us. So we didn't know until late last night. And she lives like an hour from us, so. But yeah, we're on this little bed. I guess I have good vibes because I need to get up and check my blood sugar. Oh, last night I took it and it was good, so that was awesome. What are you doing? Why are you looking at me like that? Bro, quit. So I'm about to get up and brush my teeth. Jacob's coming over so we can brainstorm. It's a lot more of a risk, you know, being than if it was just me. Why are you looking at me upside down, bro? What are you doing? Wait. Archie's like, oh my god. Okay. Y'all. Not fully stocked on dog food. Oh my god. Sir, what are you doing? I'm gonna check my blood sugar. Brush my teethies. Yes. Mia, why do you keep looking at me upside down? God damn. She's so weird. This dog is so weird. I can't use my phone. Hi. You guys some eye boogies. You're laying kind of funny too. What's going on? Last night I fell. Like I slipped and fell. So that was nice. I didn't fall very hard or very far. I just slipped on our steps. And I fell really slowly. And I caught myself in my hand. My hand's a little sore, but it's not even like bruised or anything. But I'm about to get up and let these doggies out. Archie is just... He keeps smashing his snoot. Also, though, I'm not getting any... I'm getting 1 bar of service. Before I was getting 2. And that was enough to, like, watch YouTube videos and stuff. We don't have any internet. But today I only have 1, so...
It's taking 30 minutes. Hello, Girls, Girls, Girls by Motley Crue.
Oh, and then Frank's, our landlord neighbor, his house is attached to ours through the garage. Jacob got up this morning and there was water coming out of Frank's back door. And I guess, I don't know a lot about all that, but basically a water pipe burst. I don't know, like apparently his whole house is wet inside, and yeah, that just isn't good. We shut off the water like at the street, like the big water shut off for both houses. Ours isn't working anyway. The pipes are probably busted at ours as well. It is what it is, but they busted inside of Frank's house. I think his cat's fine. She's been hiding. She knows us and she comes out to us all the time, but he's not there, and so her whole routine's been thrown off. I think she's upset. Fair enough. Oh, and they accidentally locked the key in the house. Frank had to go back to the emergency room, so Frank fell and had to go to the emergency room. That was, you know, he hurt his knee, and then he's going to nursing home for 3 weeks to do his rehab for his knee. But last night he had 103-degree fever, low blood pressure, and they think that he was sundowning because he was getting really aggressive and confused. So he's back in the emergency room, and we're just praying he's going to recover because he is really old. And now he doesn't really have a house to return to. He's still super confused, and even if he wasn't, I don't think we would be telling him about his house because it's not going to help at this point. There's nothing he can do. There's nothing we can do about it right now. So we're just going to take care of his cat. Jacob's been taking really good care of her, cleaning out her litter box, feeding her, watering her. He just can't find her, which we're not going to drag her out because she's in there because she eats and poops. Everyone's next door, for the most part, cleaning Frank's house. Apparently it's not that bad. Like, trying to dry it out.
It's literally, you wouldn't think there's water.
Okay, that's good. We're watching Brother Bear. Brother Bear. My hair's a mess. I'm a little hot right now. Oh, she is that. I'm so sleepy. I mean, I guess that's good, but yeah, Jacob helped his mom out. Oh, my blood sugar was 111. I'm just real proud of myself that it's been normal or like below where it needs to be. She said, why can't you just let me sleep? Okay.
Honey, I won't love you. I won't play.
Fun hair going. Can we see the hair? Let me see. Wow. Oh, and Carter went on the pool. Our above ground pool.
It's disgusting, but it's frozen solid. I tried breaking it 5 times with the 8-pound sledge.
Were you standing on it when you did that?
Fuck no.
Okay. You're getting a mustache.
Yeah.
Do you shave?
No.
You're getting a whole mustache.
No, I know.
But it just looks kind of dirty. Like, you know, when it first comes in, it just looks kind of dirty.
That's because I've been shaving it.
It's got a little fuzzy. You have been shaving?
Yeah.
I thought you said you weren't.
Well, I had been, and I stopped.
Right. You gonna let it grow while we're stuck in here?
We can have facial hair, though, you know.
Well, yeah, you have to wear a mask. Why have you been shaving it then? Okay. Made it to another day. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. What's on you, Cooper? What is this? Hello. Someone's been being a bit rambunctious this morning, but we've calmed down. Yeah, I gave her a Kong filled with some dog food, so she enjoyed that. I want to get her some of those dog stimulation toys, or whatever they're called. I don't know if y'all have seen them on TikTok. Hi, baby girl. Hi. She slept in here last night with me and Jacob, but this morning she's just in rare form. She's just being a whole pup. You were a whole puppy. I'm trying to flip this. A whole puppy. Was just being a whole puppy. Yeah, she went in Carter's room and destroyed a cardboard box. You did. You. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You're just being a mess. Yeah. But we've calmed down a little bit. We've played a little. Oh, yes. Oh, don't bite my face. No. You know better than that. Don't do that. That's mean. Yeah. We don't nip in the face. She's in a mood. She's in a mood. Maybe. Ooh. I love when you do that with your ears. Hey, okay. I gotta go wash my face. Ellie earlier decided to shove her face over and over into the automatic water and just spill water everywhere, so I'm not sure why. She was like having to turn her head sideways and dunk her whole snout in. Hi. Hussy girl. She has eye boogers, but she's being playful, so she won't let me get them.
Come here, baby.
You wanna go sit with Daddy? You wanna go sit with Daddy? Hey, babe. Jacob's taking a nappy poo. I'm chilling. Oreo.
Those movie cases.
Scoop Oreo up. Oreo wants to be scooped up. Oh my god. Oreo! Why is it you freaking out, boy? Oh, but his tail's going. Oof. Oreo! Oreo! Ellie said, I'll help you, Dad. I'll lick you. I'll lick you. I'll lick you. Archie, what are you doing? Hi, buddy. You want to come here? Ellie, is she so beagle?
Oh yeah, bro.
Sleepy doggy. Sleepy doggy 2.0. I guess we're supposed to be getting more snow today, so that sucks. They got the Wii working, so they are playing Just Dance in there. So you can hear it. And I am just making some YouTube thumbnails and stuff for y'all. You know, this stuff I've been needing to do. My phone.
Damn it!
You're gonna knock it off.
Hey, Mom, he can dust your ceiling fan for you. He does.
I don't think that there's a, well, it's probably
Oh,
dusty
no.
as fuck.
No,
Don't
no.
touch it.
No, you
No.
just.
Yeah.
He could dust
Touch
it.
it. Do not!
What does it need to be on?
I don't know. Try it.
I feel like a lot of attitude coming from the boy in red.
You're just like.
There's attitude.
Why? Why are you doing my belly? Show me how you do my belly.
Fuck! I gotta check. Quick, quick, fuck!
I gotta pee.
Jacob, there's tracks coming along.
Yes. Savannah had some toys, and then I'm like, I'll hook her up.
I want to record the maiden voyage or whatever you called it.
Okay.
Hi. Hello.
Oh.
Hi, sweet boy. Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Tell him all aboard.
All aboard!
Hi, Ellie.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Savannah, you're out of the way.
Oh shit, dude.
Hurry up!
Let me.
I know. Oh my God. An icon. What do you think? Ma'am, you have some wrinkles. Ma'am, you need to grow. And Oreos. Very loud noises. It's another day. Turn this way. The snow is finally starting to melt somewhat.
Oh, that's nice.
Because it's, what's the temperature outside?
34 degrees.
34 degrees, folks. We're doing it. What are you doing? Okay, so that was the end of that video. We are now fine. Today is the 21st. We have been without water at my house for about 6 days now. We're still looking into getting that fixed. Yeah, we made it though, and we're doing okay, and it's just me and Jacob and my family in this house now, so that's working out a lot better. Jacob and I are able to go to our house. The only thing is there's so much mud, but our dogs are able to be outside like they're used to. Meme girl, is it grass? Is it grass? Oh, did you miss the grass? Did you miss it? Yep, so earlier we had a little bit of snow left. There's still like piles where it was really thick. I mean, nowhere really out here though. Hi, Ellie. So yeah, we're just vibing. Archie's not shivering right now, so that's really good. But yeah, what a ride. What a ride. We're still not completely out of it because the stores are still trying to keep up. A lot of people are having to buy, like, replenish groceries. I'm sure there's still some panic buying. We were able to get dog food and everything we needed today though, so we're good there. My dad and I went to 6 different stores to try and find everything we needed, and we were able to find almost all of it. We got everything we needed, just not everything we wanted, I should say. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.